most amazing artists. I hope you are having a great day today. We are going to finish our sunflowers. So far we used yellow for the petals, we used brown for the inside of our sunflower, and last time we used green for the stem and the leaves of our sunflower. Now we are going to use blue, and you could add white in there if you want to make a lighter blue. And we are going to paint the sky behind our sunflower. So I want to make it very clear to you guys. We are not going to be putting blue paint on our sunflower. We are going to paint around our sunflower. Are you gonna put blue on top of your sunflower? No, don't put blue on top of your sunflower, because then you will cover up all these beautiful colors. You'll cover up your yellow petals, you'll cover up your brown center, and you'll cover up the green stem and leaves. When you are painting today, you're going to take your paintbrush and you are going to paint around the flower. Are you going to paint on the flower? No, don't paint on the flower, just around the flower. So I do have a paintbrush, and just so you guys know, this paintbrush is a ballerina. She is a dancer. She likes to dance on her tippy toes. That means we are not going to be squishing her little tippy toes. Do not break her little tippy toes, because that is not nice, okay? When you are using your paintbrush, pretend like your paintbrush is like a ballerina dancing across your paper, just like a real ballerina would dance on a stage. Are you gonna squish and break her little tippy toes? No, please don't do that. Don't break her little tippy toes. You're gonna stand on her tippy toes. That means do not squish down on your paintbrush. Just carefully paint it on your paper. Okay? Now that we know how to use our paintbrush, we are ready to paint. And I have blue and I have white paint here. What I'm going to do is I'm just gonna mix them together just a little bit. Do you think it's a good idea to put your fingers in this paint? No, then we're gonna get all messy. Don't put your fingers in the paint. We are not finger painting today. We're painting with a paintbrush. So the only thing that should touch your paint is your paintbrush. So I'm just getting my blue color ready and mixing these two together, and now I am ready to paint around my sunflower. So watch what I do. I'm gonna take my ballerina paintbrush and I'm gonna start down here at the bottom. And at the bottom down here, I am going to take my paintbrush and I'm gonna go around my sunflower. Is the blue paint touching my sunflower? No, we're not gonna paint blue on top of our sunflower. We're gonna paint blue around the sunflower. So look, I used my blue paint and I went around my sunflower. Is blue paint on top of my sunflower? No, it's not, because we're painting blue paint around the sunflower. All right, I have a little bit more down here to go. I'm gonna go all the way around my sunflower. Okay, and I have a little space right here where I can bring my blue paint, so I'm gonna do that, but I am going to try to not let that blue paint touch my beautiful sunflower. Now, you see all this white space around the edge? Well, we're gonna fill that in with blue too, so take some more paint. Pretend like your paintbrush is a ballerina dancing across the paper, just like a ballerina would dance across the stage. And I'm taking my paint and I am pulling it all the way to the edge, because I want to cover up most of that white space, as long as we're not touching the blue paint onto our sunflower. So just try your best to cover up most of the white space. Am I done now? Does this look done? What about this side? Look at all this white space over here. I need to take my paint and I need to fill that white space up. And I'm going all the way to the edge of my paper because I want to fill up all of that white space. And as you notice, I'm getting paint on this piece of paper that's under my painting. That's okay because this piece of paper that's under my painting is called a messy mat. And the messy mat will catch all of the mess. This will help us not get paint on the table. Okay, so I have just a little bit down here to go. So, is there any blue on top of my sunflower? Nope. Did I fill up most of the white space? Yes, I did. So that means I am done. Once you finish painting your sky behind your sunflower and you fill up most of that white space, then you will be done too. I hope you guys have a lot of fun finishing up your beautiful sunflowers. I can't wait to see how they turn out. I know they're going to be amazing because you guys are amazing. All right, I'll see you guys next time. Bye, guys.